We just left the gas station and we're on our way to the highway. We stopped by Wendy's because Mom wanted something to eat. She wanted a little bite, and then we got gas and filled up the tank. And now we're heading to Key West, and we'll update you when we get on the open road. We are now on the open road, and we're heading down south.
So we are on US 1 headed to 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐿. Let's do a little family roll call and take a look at who's on board. And here's our able driver.
What are you eating, Beth? Eat Oli? Beth? 5 dozen water.
And where are we going?
Key West! And I remember this note from my cousin when I was about that. And yeah.
Continue our drive south to the Keys, and I just wanted to share with you some of the beautiful flora and fauna that is the Everglades. The Everglades is the largest tropical wilderness in the United States. It is home to many species of animals like the crocodile, the panther, and even the West Indian manatee. It is naturally beautiful. The Keys are a group of coral island chains off the coast of southern Florida, just south of Miami. Approximately 1,800 islands make up the Florida Keys. These islands include 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐿, Sunset Key, and Sugarloaf Key, among hundreds of other keys. Our destination today is Key West.
Very popular 7-mile bridge that separates Marathon with Big Pine Key, and I will do a hyperlapse when we get there.
Hello everyone. So we are approaching Key West. We're about 5 minutes away. Ladies and gentlemen, our final resting, our resting place. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Key West.
Oh, our mask.
Oh, shoot. And we forgot the masks. Can you believe that? Crazy, isn't it? How can we forget the mask in a pandemic? But good thing Mom remembered.
So we're at the hotel. And here it is. So this is our room. We've been here for a few minutes. We just wanted to get settled in before we recorded our room tour video. So here it is. Here is our air conditioning unit. It's really cool. We have a lot of nice controls on it, as you can see. Here we have a little couch. Looks pretty comfortable. And here we have my dad's suitcase and me and my brother's suitcase. We have my mom's suitcase right over here. We have a nice, beautiful wooden desk right here with a nice ergonomic chair. And we have my mom's laptop bag. Here we have a nice lamp that we can use. It's pretty bright, actually, and it's really cool. Here we have our little system that we brought to Apple TV. And here is the TV that was provided. It's an LG TV. It's pretty cool. I like the colors on it. Here we put our shoes back here. And we have my brother's backpack right here. Here we have our little food stand. We have a refrigerator that's pretty much empty. All we have is Capri Suns. We're about to go shopping, like in a minute or something. Our microwave, and here's a little trash bin for the coffee cups if we use them. Here's our bathroom, which I'm not going to show you because my mom is using it right now. The clip I'm gonna play next is the tour of there. And here's our thermostat. We don't use this one because we have other ones. Here are the beds. This is my mom and my dad's bed. There's outlets over here, a nice bed. We didn't make it. Here's the telephone, and here's a nice lamp which has 3 outlets on it that we can use. And it's a pretty bright lamp. I really like it. Here's the alarm that we will not be using because we have our own. Here is our bed. Why am I finding your shirt everywhere? Here is me and my brother's bed, and possibly Christian. We don't know where Christian's sleeping. We don't know if he's sleeping here or over there. But here's me and my brother's bed. Here is our thing. We have 3 pillows, nice comfy bed cover. And here's our luggage again. Here's a closer thing of the couch and the ottoman. Here's a 3rd lamp right here. It's also pretty bright. And I like that one as well. And yeah, that's our room tour. It's not really a good view. I'll show you it more in the morning, but here's the view from the room. And here is the bathroom. If we turn to the, and that is me. If we turn to the left, we can see a really small closet. It has a safe in it, a few hangers, and an iron. We have some towels here to dry off our hands when we're done. Uh-oh, one dropped. I'm not getting that this second. Here is the counter. It has some soaps on it. It has conditioner, body lotion, and shampoo. Yeah, that is our room. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the video.
Thank you, boys, for all of your help in sharing this first day of our quick Key West getaway. YouTube, stay tuned for our next 2 days as we go to Fort Zachary National Park and take a glass bottom boat tour. Thanks so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, though, remember to bloom where you're planted. God bless. Bye.